Morning, students. Today, this is the online class of class 8, and I will continue with the chapter part of speech. Your previous class was about 8 part of speech, that was noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, as I explained you about all this in the previous class. Now today I will go with the pronoun. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. There can be 7 different kinds of pronoun. Now let's see pronoun. Okay, how many there are pronouns? First person pronoun is I, me, mine, myself, we, us, ourselves, ours. Second person pronoun: you, yourself, yourselves, yours. Third person: he, his, him, himself, she, her, hers, herself, it, its, itself, they, theirs, them, and themselves. Then comes demonstrative pronoun. Here it is this, that, these, those. Relative pronoun: who, whom, whose, which. Interrogative: who, whose, whom, what, which. Definitive: indefinite. Okay, one, once, none, all, some, nobody, few, many, etc. Distributive pronoun: each, either, neither. Reciprocal: each, other, one another. So these are seven pronouns. Okay, and now we come to know both one another and each other can be used for two or more person, places, or thing, but one another is preferred when there are more than two persons. So one another is more preferred when there is more than two person. Okay, and each other can also be used when there is two person involved. The two brothers hated each other. So what? The two brothers hate each other. All the brothers hated one another. So all the brothers, there is more than two brothers, so it is used one another. And there is two brothers, so it is used each other. Okay, now comes what? Now comes possessive pronoun. And possessive pronoun shows ownership. Okay, but it does not come before a noun or in noun phrase. It can be used to replace a noun. A possessive adjective is an adjective used to show ownership. It comes before a noun. So what happens is that possessive pronoun, it means to be possessive, okay, of someone or to show an ownership, but it does not come before noun, as in what I told you, noun, name of a place, thing, okay, person. But what happened, possessive adjective also shows ownership, but it comes before a noun and let us know to whom the noun belongs. Okay, possessive pronouns come before the noun and possessive adjective also comes before the noun, but it let us know, okay, which noun belongs. So this book is mine. Mine here is first person. Okay, first person pronoun. A mine here is showing an what? Possessiveness. Okay, that ownership. See, it is pronoun. This is my book. Whose book? Book is a noun, so it is coming before noun. Okay, so what's my? My is an adjective because it's describing the book. Whose book is this? Mine. So here each took his turn. Each here is pronoun. Okay, it is because it is distributive pronoun. How it is distributive pronoun? Because it's distributing the place. Okay, about person, each took his, about distributing each person. how each person took his time or a turn. Okay, it's pronoun, distributive pronoun. Here each is adjective, possessive adjective. So likewise, which of this book is yours? Which of the book is yours? Here, which of the book is interrogative pronoun. Okay, because it is asking question. See in number 2. Okay, 3. Number 3. Which of the book is your? It is interrogative pronoun because it is asking a question. Interrogation means to ask a question. And here which is possessive adjective, which is book is yours. What are you reading? What is a interrogative pronoun? It's asking a question. What are you reading? And what book are you reading? It is adjective. So it is a possessive adjective. So point to remember is my, our, his, her is a possessive adjective, and mine, ours, yours, his, hers are possessive pronoun. Okay, this much. And here it sums up. So here is some of the pronoun, and is 7 different kinds of pronoun, possessive pronoun, possessive adjectives. Okay, points to remember, and I'll give you some exercise work in WASM. Okay, now we will come to know about adjective, and it is what? Okay, and 10 kinds of adjective. Here, see here. Adjective is a word that qualifies or add to the meaning of a noun. As I've told you, adjective describes noun. Okay, like example, the flower is beautiful. The flower is a noun, and it describes the flower, how it's the flower is beautiful. Okay, so here there are 10 kinds of adjective: proper, descriptive, quantitative, numerical, demonstrative, interrogative, possessive, emphasizing, exclamatory, article. Proper is Indian, Chinese, American, English. Those are proper adjectives. So he is Indian. Okay, he is a pronoun. Then it's describing about him, that how, what who is he? He is Indian. Indian is proper adjective. Descriptive, describing. Okay, descriptive means tall, good, brave, good, bad, sick, tall, large, black, careful. Okay, like that. Quantitative means quantity, much, little, no, some. So have some respect for him, or have some respect for her. Some here is defining as a quantity. Quantitative, any, all, who, enough, etc. And quantitative, here comes okay, now comes numeral. Numeral, here comes definite. Okay, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4, and ordinal means first, second, third, fourth. Okay, cardinal means in numerically it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and ordinal means first, second, third it comes. And indefinite means unending. Okay, all, some, enough, no, many, few, several. Distribute is distributing, each, every, either, neither. Demonstrative, this, that, these, those, who, such, same, like this. To demonstrate. Okay. Interrogative, what, which, whose. Possessive, mine, our, yours, his, hers. Okay. Emphasizing, own, very. Exclamatory, what. Articles, definite, the, indefinite, and. See here in the interrogative, it is what, which, whose. Okay, and in possessive, my, our, yours. In possessive pronoun was basically mine. Okay, everything was what was it was. See here, mine, myself, like that. Okay, but here you see in possessive adjective it is my, ours, yours, his, her. So these are 10 kinds of adjectives. So here also I will give you some exercise work as well as homework. Okay, so next time we will go through this one we will go through 9 kind of adverbs. For today part of speech, if you don't understand, you go through again in this video about pronoun, 7 kinds of pronoun, then go 10 kinds of adjective. Okay, and in previous video I have done this one, 8 part of speech. So this much for today. Thank you.